Hey adventurers! What do you get when you mix Las Vegas fun, Utah snow, a surprise engagement, and a bittersweet goodbye?
Get a full-on emotional roller coaster with the Adventurepreneurs. No seatbelts required. Also pack tissues. You've been warned.
Buckle up, friends. This week's journey takes us from the desert lights of Vegas to the snowy mountains of Utah and straight through the realness of family life on the road.
First stop on the way back to Utah, Las Vegas, baby. Behold the casinos. We are there for just two things.
The temple and our favorite little diner, because you can't make a pit stop without good food and good vibes.
No Elvis sightings, no magic shows, just burgers, blessings, and a quick travel break.
Onward to Utah. First things first, check in on the girls and those boyfriends of theirs.
Initiation begins now. Family laser tag. Let's see if these boys can handle a family that's part fun, part competitive, part laser ninja.
Now here's where things get fun. We found a timeshare last call in Eden, Utah. No, not our daughter Eden, the actual city Eden.
So technically, we went to Eden with Eden. Try wrapping your brain around that one.
Beautiful views, snow-covered backyard, and the first thing Kylie does? She builds a sledding ramp. Talk about priorities.
She's been snow-starved since Christmas in Arizona. Girl's been manifesting a blizzard, and man, did she get one. I'm just glad we didn't have to travel through it again. What do you got? Spoon for?
Yeah, it tracks where the path is, but that was when we couldn't really see it, so...
Alright. Just make sure you bring it back in.
What?
Just make sure you bring it back in.
Yeah. Okay, go! Okay.
But speaking of travel, the week at Wolf Creek was up quickly, and then...
Next stop, Bear Lake, Utah. And let me tell you, this place was like stepping into a snow globe. Absolutely breathtaking.
Also freezing, like hurt your face to breathe kind of cold.
But totally worth it. Sledding, playing in the powder, watching the storm roll in across the lake. Even Kylie took a break from bug hunting to revel in the snow. Her second happy place.
Yep.
Are you okay?
Here comes the empty sled.
Thanks for the dog!
Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, I think it's going off.
Look out!
Oh, you better slow down.
Oh.
Might want to move out of the way.
Eden, move!
still. He's going fast, yeah. Everybody's like, oh, I'm going too fast. And then they try to slow down and they crash.
For the record, I may or may not have had the fastest sled down the hill. Just saying.
Also, check out the cutest little restaurant we found where we got to eat under a parked car. Yep, you heard me right. Parked right above us, just chillin'. Now that's pretty cool. We were also able to sneak in another temple trip while in Logan. I just love these buildings. So beautiful. Meanwhile, back in warmer news, Alanis got engaged. Her roommate helped us pull off the big surprise, leading her right to Jacob, who was waiting with the ring. Sneaky little trickster.
She said yes. Woohoo! Cheers to the happy couple.
Now comes the hard part. If you've been with us for a while, you know about Max, our sweet old boy. He started traveling with us in the beginning, but it just got too hard on him, so he went to live with Annalie. Well, he has been really sick for months, peeing blood, struggling to breathe, and barely able to make it up the stairs at night to sleep in his bed.
The vet said it wasn't looking good. Exploratory surgery might give us an answer, but they weren't sure he'd make it through.
So, we made the hardest decision. We spent the week loving him, hugging him, telling him what a good boy he was, and then we said goodbye.
Just relax, bud.
Rest in peace, Max.
Crossed the rainbow bridge surrounded by love. We'll miss you, buddy. You are part of our adventure and always will be.
We share a lot of fun, a lot of travel, and a lot of laughs on this channel. But the truth is, full-time travel doesn't always mean full-time perfection.
Life still happens. Hard stuff, messy stuff, real stuff. We're just a regular family trying to live life fully and love well, even in the hard moments.
If you've ever watched one of our videos and thought, wow, their life looks amazing, just know it is, but it's also real. And that's what makes it worth sharing. So to recap, Vegas and Logan temple trips, check. Family laser tag initiation, check. Last call timeshares in Eden and Bear Lake, check. Kylie's dream snow day, check. Alanis said yes, and sadly, Max said goodbye. Yet through it all, we stuck together as a family.
Because that's what this journey is really about. Family, fun, faith, and real life lived out loud.
Thanks for joining us through all the highs and the heartfelt moments. If this one hit home for you, drop a comment below. And if you've ever had to say goodbye to a furry friend, share a memory. We'd love to hear it.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. We've got a wedding to plan.
Adventurepreneurs out.